Hi, I'm Helge from HPR. Today we're going to have a chat about what you need for an 8 HP swap in a rear-wheel drive application. First off, you need the 8 HP transmission itself. The ideal transmission to use in many cases will be a BMW version from the N57 engine. There's also Dodge variations, as well as both Iveco and Jaguar models. Now over to engine adaptation. You have basically two choices. You can choose to mate it to the engine with an adapter plate and an adapter plate from your flywheel or flex plate to the converter, or you can go with the superior solution that HPR has pioneered and designed. The billet bell housing is CNC machined out of one-piece billet aluminum and is a direct bolt-in for both the Nissan RB engine and the Toyota JC engine. It comes with a billet steel flex plate and is overall a very good solution in most chassis. Once the transmission and engine is hooked together, you'll need to connect the transmission further along to your existing drivetrain. You can opt for an 8 HP output flange with a 1350 U-joint bolt pattern and make a custom prop shaft or modify your own from there. We also offer flexible rear mounts with the speed and exhaust bracket included. Our rear mounts feature a flat style rubber mount, so it's easy to make a custom cross member. We also have cross members for a lot of different chassis types, JDM cars and German cars. And then you'll need an oil cooler kit for your transmission. Starting from there, you'll need an adapter, a thermostat and cooler kit of choice. We offer complete solutions with cooler and thermostat included as a direct install in a universal application. The 8 HP transmission sits a lot lower than any OEM manual transmission, and it has a plastic oil pan which is prone to failure. That's why we always recommend customers with low cars to use a billet oil pan for peace of mind. This is our thermostat oil pan with the improved racing thermostat and adapter all into one unit, and really easy to connect oil cooler lines. Another issue with many 8 HP swapped cars is that the breather hits the transmission tunnel. That's why we developed a quick and cheap solution in order to remove the stock breather and have a port that faces backwards. Now let's dive into the control side of the 8 HP. You have basically two options. One is direct standalone control, and the other option is gateway control. For standalone control, Turbolamic is the choice of use. For gateway control, the CAN TCU is a really capable controller, capable of communicating with most aftermarket ECUs. We also offer a complete plug-and-play wiring solution for the CAN TCU gateway controller. The wiring kit is designed to have a direct plug-and-play for a mode switch selector, a CAN keypad selector, direct plug-and-play for CAN display that will display your gear count. It's also direct plug-and-play for both sequential style and OEM style shifters. For many JDM chassis, we have a shifter plate, which is a direct bolt-in for your chassis. That features a wiring grommet for an easy and convenient way to run your wiring without any cutting in your chassis.